It's another video. In today's video, we're using Design Arena, right? So basically what we're going to be doing is to create an image using Design Arena. And if it is that you don't know, Design Arena is basically an AI tool that you can actually use to compare other AI tools, right? So basically I'm going to go ahead to input my prompt. So I need a picture of, let's say, Jamaica, right? In the 1980s, I want for it to be showing women and men wearing clothing of that time, right? I want for it to be outdoor, right? I need vintage sound speakers, a wooden house, palm tree, sunlight, and so forth. So basically, I have all of that in my prompt. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit, and we're just going to wait for Design Arena to give us our output. So the first part of using Design Arena is for you to go ahead to input your prompt, right? So when it is that you get your first two options, right? So this is not where you get your option. You be like, hey, this is what I'm going to use, right? It's basically give you basically have like four battles, right? So battle one is where you choose between A and B. Battle two, B and C, or the one that you had chose and C. But we'll get to that, right? Okay, guys. So I was telling you guys that we have round one. So round one is where you go ahead to choose between A and B, right? So out of the two images, which one do you prefer, right? Which one actually matches the prompt that you had inputted? So the wooden house is there on both. Persons dancing. It's an outdoor vibes. My palm trees are there. So basically, I just have to select which one I prefer, right? So I'm definitely going to go with this. So I'm going to go ahead and select I prefer B. So basically what Design Arena want for you to do is to go ahead to be honest when it is that you're choosing, right? And this looks a little bit more modern. So I'm going with I prefer C. And then let's see here. So now they're giving me the option that I did for between the first round where I choose between A and B. So they're saying no due to the fact that I had chosen C, which one do I prefer? So I still Oh, okay. These two are so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go with C for this one. Okay, so let me click on C. And for this one, this just doesn't give me 1980s vibe, so I'm just gonna go with A. So once you've done that, we're at the last round, right? Sorry about that. My nephew just came in, guys. I'm so sorry. Right? So we're now gonna choose between B and A. And I'm gonna go with B. So basically, the winner is B, right? I am so loving this. All I have to do is to go ahead to download it. But of course, you still have the options here, right? Between the different AI tools that actually generated those images. So this one was actually generated by ChatGPT 1.5, and the second option that I choose was actually generated by CDream 4.0. Never used that before, right? And we have another one by Flux. So here it is. So basically, these are all the image that was in the battle, right? And of course, they then showed us who they were actually generated by giving us the one that we picked first, the one that we picked second, the one that we picked third, and the one that we picked fourth. So you can definitely just go ahead to look through again once more and you can download the one that you choose, right? I definitely think that this is so cool, right? And again, this is basically Design Arena, one for you to see the different qualities between each AI software. So, of course, if it is that you found this video helpful, you can definitely go ahead to drop a like there. And don't forget to subscribe, right? And I'll see you in my next one.